I'm going to review the Dell S2725DS 27-inch QHD monitor. At any point during this video, if you'd like to check out this monitor for yourself and get it at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. I'm going to dive into a monitor that promises to elevate your everyday computing, whether you're working, gaming, or simply streaming your favorite content. Meet the Dell S2725DS, a 27-inch QHD display that offers not just stunning visuals, but also comfort, versatility, and exceptional sound. At first glance, the Dell S2725DS impresses with its modern aesthetic. The ash white color and sleek matte finish make it a perfect fit for any workspace. But don't be fooled by its stylish exterior. This monitor is packed with features designed to enhance your experience. Let's talk about the display. With a QHD resolution of 2560 by 1440, you're getting 1.77 times more detail than standard Full HD. This means sharper images, crisper text, and a viewing experience that's simply immersive. Whether you're editing photos, playing games, or binge-watching a series, the 1500:1 contrast ratio ensures deep blacks and vibrant colors, bringing everything to life on screen. Gamers, you'll appreciate the 100 Hz refresh rate, which delivers smoother motion and reduces screen tearing, making your casual gaming sessions more enjoyable. And when it's time to relax with a movie, the integrated dual 5-watt speakers provide impressive audio with 6 preset profiles to match your content, whether it's standard, movie, or music mode. Comfort is key when you're spending long hours in front of a screen. Dell's attention to ergonomics shines through with the S2725DS. You can easily adjust the height, tilt, swivel, and pivot the monitor to find the perfect angle for any activity. Plus, with TÜV Rheinland's 4-star eye comfort certification, the monitor reduces blue light emissions, helping to minimize eye strain during those marathon work or play sessions. Versatility is another strong suit of the S2725DS. The dual HDMI connectivity ports make it easy to switch between devices, whether you're streaming content or gaming on your console. And with improved cable management, your workspace stays neat and clutter-free. Now, while the Dell S2725DS excels in many areas, there is one thing to consider. Its 100 Hz refresh rate, while excellent for casual gaming, might not satisfy hardcore gamers who are used to 144 Hz or higher. However, for most users, this is more than sufficient and offers a balanced experience between performance and practicality. In summary, the Dell S2725DS is a versatile and stylish monitor that brings both visual and audio excellence to your everyday life. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, this monitor has something to offer, making it a worthy addition to any setup. If you'd like to get this monitor for yourself at a great price, make sure to check out the links below this video. Thanks for tuning in to today's latest review. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Remember to check out the links below for some fantastic deals on the product we discussed today. Your support means a lot to us, and it helps us keep bringing you the best and up-to-date reviews.